Are you trying to break into a new career or get a better job, but you don't even know where to start? Maybe you don't have a college degree just yet, or you're tired of hearing that you need years of experience to get an entry level job, or even if you want to try something new and start learning now. Well, then this video is perfect for you if you're in that situation, because in today's video, I'm going to be going over 9 free Microsoft certifications that are worth more than college degrees. And a quick disclaimer, the certifications and salary ranges mentioned in this video are for informational and educational purposes only. Anything mentioned in this video is based on publicly available data from sources like Glassdoor and other platforms. They are just averages and not guarantees. Actual results might vary depending on factors like your job experience, your location, the job market conditions, the company you're applying to, or the certification you're taking. So always make sure to double check any information mentioned in this video because things can change over time and they can update. So always go to double check for yourself. But before we jump into this video, I would really appreciate if you guys can hit that like button and that red subscribe button. It's completely free and it's easy. It takes 2 seconds and you can always unsubscribe anytime. But without any further ado, let's get straight into this video on 9 free certifications that are kind of worth more than college degrees. On these number 9, so we have Azure Administrator Associate. This cert is about running and managing Microsoft Azure. You learn how to control cloud systems used by companies. Some things you're going to learn is like managing virtual systems, setting up cloud networks, control storage in Azure, manage users and access, monitor and fix issues, networking basics, Azure security basics, Azure portal usage, resource groups, and the backup and recovery features. If you're interested in positions in cloud administration, system administration, or IT support specialist, this cert can definitely help you land that role. On these number 8 slot, we have an Azure AI Engineer Associate. This cert is about building AI tools using Microsoft Azure. You will learn how AI apps work and how to set them up. So things you're going to be learning is how to use AI services in Azure, how to build chatbots, work with vision AI or images, use AI speech, deploy AI apps and natural language processing, creating AI pipelines, integrate cognitive services and monitor AI tools, and even manage AI resources. So some roles that you might want to get this cert for is like an AI engineer or a machine learning engineer or like a cloud AI developer. On these number 7 spot, we have a Microsoft Security, Compliance, and Identity certification. This cert is about security in Microsoft systems. You learn how to protect users, data, and accounts. So some things you're going to learn is like identity and access in Azure Active Directory, multi-factor authentication, basic cybersecurity rules, data protection, zero trust model, compliance concepts, information protection, threat protection basics, and security management tools, and even governance frameworks. So again, like if you're interested in like an IT support specialist, a security analyst, or like a help desk technician, this cert is very important. Next up on it is number 6 spot, we got a Microsoft 365 Fundamentals cert. This cert is about Microsoft 365 tools like Teams and Outlook. You learn how businesses use them every day. So things you're going to learn, of course, is like Microsoft Teams, Exchange email services, SharePoint basics, user setup and license, cloud bot basics, and OneDrive management systems, security and compliance, data management basics, and Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and even collaboration tools. So again, if you're interested in like an IT support specialist or like a help desk technician role or like an Office 365 admin, then this cert can definitely help you land that role. On his number 5 spot, we have a Microsoft Azure Fundamentals certification. This cert is just like the basic cloud ideas and information about Microsoft Azure. So you're going to learn a lot of things with this cert. Some of the big things are the cloud types, like infrastructure as a service. You're going to learn things like platform as a service or software as a service. There's a lot of Azure services you're going to be learning about or pricing basics, security basics, cloud concepts, the Azure regions and zones, the core Azure solutions, general security features, Azure cost management, and service level agreements. So again, this is going to help you a lot for like a cloud support entry level position or like a help desk position or like an IT support specialist. On his number 4 swap, we got a Microsoft Data Fundamentals certification. This cert is all about data and databases. You learn how data is stored and used. So you're going to learn like SQL basics, databases, data analytics basics, data types, Azure data services, relation data concepts, non-relation data, data visualization basics, Azure Synapse Analytics, and data ingestion concepts. So again, this is going to help you a lot for like a data analyst entry level position or like a database assistant, maybe even an IT support specialist. On his number 3 spot, we got a Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals cert. This cert is about making apps and automation without coding. You'll learn things about how to build simple tools for work. So things you're going to learn is like Power Apps basics, Power Automation flows, data connections, app building basics, business automation, Power BI dashboards, Power Virtual Agents, Microsoft Dataverse, Canvas versus Model apps, and workflow triggers. So a lot of jobs you can get with this. If you're looking to get a job in like a business analyst position or like an IT support specialist or even an entry level Power Platform developer, then this cert can help you land that role. On his number two spot, we have a Microsoft AI Fundamentals cert. This cert is about AI basics. You learn how machines learn and make decisions. So things you're going to be learning is, of course, like machine learning basics, AI workloads, computer vision, natural language processing, Azure AI tools, responsible AI principles, regression and classification, clustering concepts, deep learning basics in Azure cognitive services. So again, if you want to get a role in like an AI support specialist or like a data analyst entry level position or an IT support specialist, this cert can help you a lot. On his number one spot, we have the Azure Data Fundamentals cert. This cert is about big data in Azure. You learn how large data systems work. So things you're going to be learning, of course, is like data lakes, data pipelines, big data basics, data storage types, analytic basics, batch versus stream processing, Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks overview, HD Insight basics, and data governance concepts. So, of course, if you want to get a role in like a data technician job, or like an IT support specialist, or like a junior data analyst, this cert can help you a lot. And honestly, guys, I think these certs will help a lot because I literally just had a job interview for an IT help desk position yesterday, and they asked me a lot about AD, which is Active Directory, like OS, and a little bit about networking. So knowing about like DNS and pinging a network and some Azure features about like AD can help you a lot. So literally my plan B is if I don't get this role, I have a computer science degree, but if I don't get this role, I'm probably just going to get these certs and study them, honestly, because I might do it anyways, because not only do I think it's going to help me land that role if I don't get it already with the bachelor's, I feel like it's going to even prepare you for the job. So even if you have it, this is going to be very valuable and prepare you for the job, you know? I feel like having this cert is worth way more than, like an English 101 course or like a random gen ed or like a random course I have to take at school. I feel like this can help you a lot. Having just this cert is worth way more, or like way more valuable than some college credits, some like gen eds and things like that. So guys, this is gonna wrap it up for today's video on 9 Microsoft certifications that are worth more than college credits. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and it did help you guys out. If it did, please be sure to hit that like button, that red subscribe button. If you have any tips or tricks about these certs, let us know in the comments down below. Or like if you know any other certs that are better, please let us know in the comment section down below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in another video. Peace out.